Right, guys, now today what I'm going to be showing you is a platform and a software that has blown my mind. Now, being in the trading space for over 2 years currently, funded accounts, etc., I've always been interested in the VIP groups that the big mentors, the big Instagram people have for on Telegram. Now, what this platform does is it actually joins over 100 trading communities for one service. Yeah, so you get access to VIP groups of over 100 different groups for just one service. I don't know how they've done it, but honestly, it's blown my mind. Let me show you right now. Before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right now, this is the platform SignalPeak bot. Okay, so once you go in, you just have to follow a simple process and then it will give you the full details. Like it says here, daily 100 plus trading signals. You get careful risk management, VIP support, crypto signals as well. So that's Forex and crypto all in one. Now, the best thing, using my link down below, you will receive $100 off of the prices you can see. But not only that, you get a free trial. Yep, completely free. That's 3 days where you can have full access to every single one of these groups, and you can make sure that it is exactly what we're saying and it is exactly what they are presenting on here. Now, you can see on the left-hand screen, these are all the Forex trading groups that you can see. It honestly goes on and goes on. Now, these are just today. Look at how many signals, look at how many notifications you're going to receive. Now, for me personally, today I want to go through Grey FX. Now, personally, Grey FX, I've been following these a lot, and this is just for today, so September the 4th. If we were to go through, I like how they give the full breakdown as well. So they give you the exact chart, what he's looking at. This one actually hit stop loss, so he obviously recommends only 1% each trade. But if we go further down, you can see that he's made a couple of others. This one is a profit of 2.5%. And then as we go down, we have another stop loss hit, and then we keep going, and we, as you can see, there's stop loss hits, but then break even. This one was another 1.6%. This one is 5%. So obviously with these, as we can see here, another 2.2%. So if you are a big fan of gold, you can use these personally. But what I do also recommend is heading over to the charts, making sure it meets your plan, making sure you can see what he sees. But like you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is going to be the 9th trade where there are some stop losses hit, but these are all profits. Now, you get all of this, like I said, for either the monthly fee of $250 or the lifetime fee, $750. But don't forget, use that link down below to receive $100 off of this plan. Now, for me, that's just one group out of them all. Stay tuned for my next few videos where I'll be going through the other groups and finding the best ones for you. Right now, that is SignalPeak. Let me know down in the comments your opinion. Also, make sure you hit that link in the description to get that $100 off and to join over 100 groups across the Forex and crypto network. Now, honestly, if you're one of these people that love signals and if you're one of these that don't have the time, then this is perfect because it's completely hands-free. Not only can you just pick up the signals, put it on, and then crack on with your day, you don't have to do any of that hard work. You don't have to do any of the chart markups, the research, anything like that. Just follow your favorite group or even follow multiple. Like, you do get so many notifications a day that the options are limitless. Okay, so do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.